Okay, so here is a very important tip. Always install any rock. And what you're looking at here is red lava rock. Always install rock with professional landscape fabric. You don't want to go cheap on the fabric. You can see over time the dirt will basically eat the rock. And this is the best part of it. I'm going to show you how it really looks over time, especially in Florida with the rain. You do not want to install any rock in your beds and think you're going to save by skipping on the landscape fabric. Let me just show you. All of this rock is basically then it just starts looking terrible. And had the landscape fabric been installed, that rock would have that barrier between and it would look much better. These beds were rocked. And you can't even see the rock because all of the debris over time, it just buries. Let me just show you the worst of it over here. In the shady areas, then you start getting moss growing and it just starts looking terrible. So the tip for today, always install professional, durable, and I'm talking thick, it's like a tarp, the thickness, before you ever think about installing any landscape rock in your bed. Now, you don't need landscape fabric if you're going to install mulch, but if you're going to put in rock, you have to absolutely put a barrier between the rock and the dirt, or else you're going to have a disaster, and then you'll have a big problem on your hands because you're going to have to take some of this stuff out in order to make your beds look good again. You can't just throw rock on top of this. Now you got to actually do it the right way. And like I always say, if you don't have time to do it right the first time, why do you think you'll have time to do it twice? All right. Thank you for checking out the video. Make sure you subscribe. FloridaProLawnCare.com. Okay, so here is the after. This is a prep, landscape prep for sale. So this is very important before you list your property. You want to make sure you stage and prep your landscaping, because the curb appeal is what attracts your prospective buyers. And once they see the house from the outside, that makes them interested in seeing the house from the inside. So we had to replace and install Zoysia, a new Zoysia lawn here, and added some color near the pool, some hibiscus, and hibiscus on the other side, and a bunch of flowering pentas to give it that tropical feel right here next to the pool. Hibiscus. All right, and this is all mulched so that when there is a showing, there will be that first impression made. The front yard is for the neighbors, the backyard is for the family. So when people come out and check out the back, they're going to be like, okay, I'm sold, where's the contract? So thank you for checking out the latest project. I love to hear what you think. Post in the comments. For a free quote, FloridaProLawnCare.com. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at FloridaProLawnCare. Till the next time. Peace.